Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel, and today we are in, is this Tyre?
Yeah, come on.
Oh, this is a Common Road, right. We're in Common Road in Trelawney and we're here to speak with a young lady by the name of Tanisha.
Otherwise Angela Lewis.
Yeah. All right. So she has been impacted by the Hurricane Melissa, and we have come to, she wants to show us what has happened and to ask for your help. So we're going to get into it right now. Please do remember to like, to share, and to subscribe to the channel. So once you post a new video, you will be updated. All right. So let's get started. Hello. All right, so talk to us now. How has the hurricane impacted you?
Well, when we did that in Monday, when we hear say hurricane I could fall Tuesday, I did in the house, I not really lie. I did in the house, but the show me did say, it's something I'm panny when I call it.
And the roof shingle?
It's shingles and the panny, so I did say, anyway, it's strong, same way. I understand if everything and they come off the shingles, I'm not really make it wet now, nothing. But when I see hurricane looking at the night, I say, no man, I hear something fall. So I say, so I not stay, I run with my baby, I came on, my mother. But otherwise, I say, I go and chill and watch the same way. When I come on in the morning, I see how it happen. My TV, my bed, everything wet up on it, look at something there. My phone could top blow off, my bathroom top blow off, my house top blow off. The kitchen, I go around there and I try to take out my stove, the gas pan, and something drop or lick me and my foot, the tape or nail on it, look at something there. I kind of come around and I say to myself, say, but my mother, yeah, sometimes my mother cannot get along. So last night I did it, I say, I come in, I can't sleep. By thinking about it, I say, I can contact Zelly, make you understand. I did link in one time before, but this get serious now, I say. I don't know where to stay. I can depend on my mother, because my mother not really.
Yeah.
My mother not really happy sometimes. My mother miserable. You know, because there sometimes I did that and get miserable problem and all, like me answer him. But I say, better I come. I not really I can say I can try back with the house, you understand? Because I say after it break down, but I say if I get a help, if you even cut something on this, cut something on it, even plier or something get.
Wait a minute, on this building here?
Yeah, I just cut something on it. I lick on him and I look at something there. Everything mash up, look how we there. But this I did blow up too, I put my putani back.
Okay. So you do business in there now?
No, something mash up. Well, I'm a liquor, something mash up.
So you were doing business in there before the hurricane?
Yeah. But in the middle of a bar, I can ask champion. In the middle of a bar, I'm look at something like me live off.
Oh, so you don't have nothing in there now?
Nothing in there, everything break up.
Oh, okay. So we can see in there, and we can see over here so too?
No lie.
Oh, okay. Alright, you can continue.
Yeah, so I'm look at baby, I'm my next big boy. I don't want to know say me the song comfortable with them everything alright. You understand? I don't really feel happy if you talk about it. But I don't want to look at help. Not for big. Look at help and me alright. You understand?
Yeah. Okay. So you sleep on the last night?
Yeah, you can sleep. You can look in there.
Yeah.
Anyway, when I walk back, I always see what I go on inside. So if I back mash up my inside.
Alright, go ahead and we follow you. So guys, it's getting a little dark, so we are gonna try and move as quickly as we can so that we can actually see what's taking place. We're not able to come before now. So that is the reason why we're here now.
And I close them. Everything did pack up in a barrel. Me say storm I come. Everything just mash up.
So hurricane drop down this?
Everything.
Yeah.
Next side Likkle too, but then back up some of my friend them run a back up I put in save when them couldn't save I put in the next side.
Oh. So that reach up there, sir? Hurricane put it up there?
No man, I did catch up my baby something in there.
Okay.
The baby stroller.
Okay. Wow.
Everything mash up man.
Wow.
Flat out.
Okay. Oh. So you used to use the other side too?
Well, I also that use, you know.
Okay.
Here's how I build up my outside bathroom with a bowl in it. You can see zinc, everything blow away. My fall coop when I raise my chicken and everything just flat out. Then take up some of the zinky people.
My fall coop did they?
Right here, some my fall coop.
Oh, this building here, so also the top fly off?
Everything fly off.
Okay. So these are the zincs where you manage to
No, these are the zinc where they pick out or left back some for me. The best one them.
Oh, so. Yeah. Oh, wow.
Thief then come around and take on my gas pan. Take on my something them. Last time I did my mother yard and I didn't kind of catch up. And I come around and so come lie down a little bit. I leave my baby them over there, come lie down a little bit.
After you. Your place.
Anyway, you have to come in after in a kind of dusty and something there.
Oh, okay.
You see it?
Oh. So the zinc come off and if the shink on the side here.
I want next bed in this, my personal bed. In I shop with me like a fridge or something.
Okay. You pack some of my things over there, so.
So I pack up my fridge, I put my fridge in there, so I want my personal bed in there.
Okay.
So you see what me I talk about, you understand? So that me I tell about, I'm not comfortable at all, you understand?
So now that you lose the shop and so on, what you do during the day?
Well, me not lie, me not really do nothing.
Because that's what you used to do.
But this time I could buy back my things and still, but I want to put up back myself for food first.
Yeah. Alright, well.
You look happy doing it. Yeah, smile.
Just smile from the outside.
There you go.
Well, may I ask for your little donation? May I ask you plenty. Anything me get on the behalf of anything at all? May
You ask you plenty, but no plenty.
Plenty. So I may ask on the behalf of anybody at all willing to stretch a hand and give what they can give. May I say many thanks. Even if it's small, may I take your turning or something, you understand?
Yes.
But I really want to help and I ask please. I have 2 kids, you know, really pretty with me. I never like to come on here and see what happened. You understand? I don't like it. But I ask you all to help, please.
Alright.
Angela Lewis, you understand?
Okay.
Yeah. I have nothing to say.
Alright. Well said. Alright, everyone. So you have heard her story and you would have seen, you know, what her place looks like after the hurricane and, you know, her situation daily as she's not able to operate in the shop anymore because she lost her goods and so forth. So she's asking for your help, and if there's any way that you're able to assist her, please do so, no matter how small. She said not plenty, however it is, you know. And once you're able to stretch a hand, you can reach out to us at 876-512-4055. Alright, so until next time, this is where we end the video for today, or for tonight rather. Thank you so much for making it a Likkle Everyting Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye. Alright, so Tanisha, based on your situation, we know this is not a permanent fix, but we're going to give you one tarpaulin.
Yes.
Because, you know, if it rains and so at least this can help people have some of the rain for now.
Okay.
Alright, so maybe you can get somebody tomorrow if you can throw it over for you.
Alright.
As a temporary solution. You're welcome. Alright, God bless.
Alright.